Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your first layer quality issues in Bambu Studio. So basically when this happens, we have to do certain things in order to completely fix it. Now there's a few indicators if we have produced a bad first layer. Now you could just simply navigate through this page, and for example, it will present you with this option with the ragged edges. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply wash the build plate. Thoroughly wash the build plate to ensure that the filament adheres properly. From there, we also want to check the nozzles and the screws. Ensure that the nozzle is clean and free of clogs, as even a small blockage can disrupt filament flow and cause that first layer issues. From there, we could also calibrate our 3D printer. Now, there's built-in calibration for most Bambu printers out there, something like the micro lidar calibration, motor noise cancellation, vibration compensation, and many more. And you also want to try to use dry filament. Ensure that the filament that you are using is dry. Moisture in the filament can cause uneven extrusion and other printing issues. And then basically you want to also reduce the printing speed for the first layer. Now you can do that by heading over to Bambu Studio. Go ahead and locate your Bambu printer, and then there's going to be the speed right here that you can go ahead and add it. We can also navigate through global, click on speed, and then we have our first layer, our initial layer infill, and many more. Once again, you could just reduce that in order to fix the problem altogether. And so those are the ways in order to fix the first layer issues on your Bambu Studio. You have to basically do all of this because you will not go ahead and see what entirely causes the problem. So you want to wash the plate, you want to check your nozzles, you want to simply calibrate your printer, and you also want to make sure that the filament that you are using is dry. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.